Alright. It's dark because my dad just told me to turn the lights on. So this is continued because somebody pressed the button. So you have to go to that. You got Netflix to watch TV and all that. You have YouTube and all that. You have Spotify, so you could watch play videos off your phone, music and stuff. And you have the capture gallery for your friends and all type of stuff you wanted to save because you liked what happened and all that. See, I have a lot of video clips. See? A lot. A lot. Because I saved them. Play that. Alright. And for example, y'all don't need to see a video. Alright. And that's it. I hope you guys love the PlayStation 4 because it's very entertaining. And how about you go out and buy yourself a PS4?